Today on Yester Kitchen, we are going to 1966 to discover a soup. Oh, it just takes minutes, and it is fabulous and very impressive. You're going to love it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is Yester Kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. It would be an honor to have you join us as we explore retro history through food. So today, my happy little vintage cookbook collection is sharing Women's Day, Encyclopedia of Cookery. This is volume 11. And I've already showed you the whole series. I love this series so much. It's just so classic. And tucked within these pages is a little mini soup cookbook. There's many cookbooks within all of these books, and I just get lost in them. So anyway, today we're making a super easy, starting with canned because convenience food still ruled the day, soup that is beautiful for lunch, beautiful for company. It takes minutes. And what it's called is Bombay Refresher. Why? Because we got a little curry thing going on, but wait till you see how easy it is. This is ridiculous, guys, really. Okay, so we are starting in my happy little mixing bowl. We have 1 can of cream of chicken soup. I know we always do cream of mushroom, very retro, so is chicken. It just wasn't used as much, but cream of chicken soup right in our bowl. And to that, we're gonna add 1 soup can of milk, 3 tablespoons fresh, try to make fresh lemon juice. I always emphasize fresh. You don't want that jarred stuff, or that squeezy stuff. You don't know how long it's been around and doesn't taste as good. And 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and there is our little nod to Bombay. So we're just gonna go ahead and stir this and just make sure it is super mixed well. With a whisk, that way you get out all your lumps and your bumps. And there are little chicken pieces in there, so those are absolutely, of course, supposed to be there. So, okay, so you ready? That is how simple it is. We are done. So the only thing we need to do is we need to let it sit in the fridge for about an hour or 2 because you want it to get icy cold, which is exactly the words that the cookbook used. So an hour or 2 and it'll be super cold. We'll be right back when that happens. I'll show you how to finish this off. It will be gorgeous. Hey everyone, it's been 2 hours and it is beautifully icy cold. Okay, so we're gonna move that over and we're gonna bring in a pretty little serving dish, whatever one you want, of course. And you're gonna serve some of this delicious soup right in the bowl. And when you're doing cream soups, you really wanna have clean edges. So you just take your ladle, just put it right in the center and just gently release it, just like that. Now we have our soup, which is chicken curry flavored. And now we are gonna put on these toppers that are just gonna send it over the edge. These are very typical. If you go to an Indian restaurant and have curry, these are very common curry toppings. Okay, so the first thing I have is finely diced green apples. And what I did was I did put a little bit of fresh lemon juice on them so they don't brown. And look, they're not brown, they're beautiful. And I must have done these maybe about a half hour ago. So there we go, trick works. Okay, so first we're gonna sprinkle around our beautiful apples. As much or as little as you like, there are no measurements to this. Next, I have pistachios. I actually bought raw pistachios because I didn't want the added salt, but if you want it, feel free to get the roasted ones instead. Or if you like a different kind of nut, get it. The recipe actually says pistachios, and I happen to love pistachios. Okay, next, coconut. I bought unsweetened coconut because the sweetened, I just feel it's way too sweet. It's great for cookies and candies and desserts, but for this dish, I thought unsweetened would be better. Do you have to do unsweetened? Of course not. You can do any coconut you like. There we go, there's our coconut. And by the way, you can use one of these toppings, you can use all of these toppings, you can mix, you can match, you can add in your favorites. This is just what's suggested. And I always go with the original recipe. Here I have chutney. What is chutney? Chutney is it's like a fruit compote. It's a condiment. Mango is very common, and I went with hot because I like spicy. But there's also, they make a non-spicy kind. There's other brands that make it. This is not a brand specific. This is just what happened to be in my market. And so chutney is actually very common in the Indian food culture. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of chutney, just kind of around. You know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna do a few more, pistachios on the ground, a few more pistachios on top because they just kind of got hidden. Bombay refresher. How long did that take to make? Okay, so it sits in the fridge for a couple hours, but how long did that take to make? Maybe 5 minutes for the whole thing, for your time. And one pot to clean up. So anyway, thank you 1966 so very much for this absolutely fabulous little known dish that's just, it's wonderful. It's wonderful. If you would like to explore more dishes from your childhood or just the past, I invite you to subscribe. I release new videos every week. In the meantime, there's some more retro dishes for you. And remember, every dish, even Bombay refresher convenience food so friendly, has a story. I will see you